Welcome back to Primetime News. To news overseas now, several members of Congress are preparing to examine unredacted versions of the Jeffrey Epstein files. A letter from the Department of Justice notes that members of Congress will be able to review the unredacted Epstein files at the DOJ starting Monday. There will be guidelines on how members will be able to look through the more than 3 million pages of content that has been publicly released. Lawmakers will have to give the federal agency a 24-hour notice. Congressional members will be given access to computers in a room and can only take notes. No outside electronic devices will be allowed inside. So far, a few Democratic representatives have already requested to view the unredacted materials. And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after the break.